how to disable or enable IPv6 in Windows. Hey everyone, I'm Gil Herme from JMD Technology, and today I'm going to show you how to disable, enable, or check the status of the IPv6 connection in Windows. Sometimes a service may not work correctly due to IPv6 being enabled, like in the case of FTP connections for file transfer. For this, let's follow the steps on Windows. Search for Control Panel in the Windows search bar and open it. Click on Network and Internet. Then click on Network and Sharing Center. Click on your internet connection to see its status. Click on Properties. Find the IPv6 protocol option. To disable IPv6, uncheck the corresponding box. To enable it, check the box. Click OK to confirm. With these steps, you can solve issues related to connection via FTP or tweak IPv6 as required. Remember, at JMD Technology, we provide web TV plans with exclusive features and high speed for video uploads via FTP. Scan our QR code to find out about our plans. Hope this helps. If you liked it, leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on our social media.